I would like to start with an example. Let's say you're building a house, right? What if I tell you bring in a big block of wood, put it on a piece of land, and just start chiseling in so that you build the house? That doesn't make any sense, right? There is a reason houses are built efficiently with certain processes that are built elsewhere. For example, a roof is made elsewhere, a flooring is made elsewhere. They're all brought together to create an efficient system and bring it to the building a house, right? Now, IT systems and applications are not so bad, I get it. But many organizations that we talk with, the IT executives that we talk with, they feel, why do I change something that is working, right? Then I go and ask a question. All right, tell me, how long does it take for you to onboard a customer? Then they come back and say, well, our system is very efficient, but we take around 2 to 3 months, right? And these are, let's say this is a financial services organization. 2 to 3 months of onboarding a customer is a long time, if you ask me, in this day and age. Similar questions like this: how long does it take for your company or applications or systems to deliver new functions or business values to your customers? It could be 10 to 20 weeks, they say, right? Now, when most of your customer interactions are through digital channels in this post-COVID time, it's very important to become that agile company. Amazon, for example, deploys code every 11.7 seconds. You may say Amazon, we are not Amazon, right? But still, how do you break the monolith? How do you break the legacy systems and find a pathway to modernize your IT systems? We at RCG start with your business process. We look at your existing IT system or an application, look at a business process, break it down to different functions that can be repeatable and reusable, right? For example, let's say you are a mobile payment processing company and one of the business functions is to deliver merchant reports. We take that business process, break it down, and take a tool like Yammada and execute that business process by dividing it into different microservices. And these microservices could be immediate task services that is serving that business function, and those task services are served up by data services and utility services. And these data services and utility services are microservices that can be reused across different business processes. And then this is not just one process, right? There could be multiple processes that can come together to form an application on a modern stack. And imagine running this on a Kubernetes and Docker, whether on-prem or cloud. We call it cloud native these days, that can run the entire application in a scalable infrastructure. We have developed accelerators to start all of this with infrastructure as code with Terraform scripts. You can start this with a click of a button. This would instantiate an API gateway with Nginx, a ESB layer with MuleSoft or Camel, a message system with Kafka, and the entire thing deployed on Kubernetes and Docker with Kubernetes namespaces and role-based access controls clearly defined for the functions. And all this, for example, when you launch Yammada and execute a business process, the whole thing can be started by a CI/CD process using Jenkins or Bamboo of your choice of CI/CD tool. And this includes test automation and service virtualization using Parasoft. If you're an IT executive, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when you are starting on this journey of modernizing your application stack, modernizing your IT system. So they're cloud native, they're agile, and they're all DevOps and SysOps tied up. That decision will make or break in terms of your organization thriving or perishing in these times. If you want a free demo or a consultation, please message us. Thank you.